or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna talk about nails and I know like मेरे जैसे I think बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको nails बहुत पसंद है but somehow they can't grow like you know strong and big nails, so we usually go for nail extensions and especially जो festive season होता है ना उसमें तो मन करता है कि अच्छे outfits के साथ like nails हो बड़े बड़े मस्त different outfits के साथ different तरह के nails हो. So for that purpose ये वीडियो बनाई जा रही है क्योंकि I have been using fake nails like stick-on nails since I think last 6-7 months I would say. Like I think last जो मैंने nails कराए थे वो मैंने अपने शादी पे कराए थे, उसके बाद I haven't gotten them done. And honestly I find these stick-on nails so affordable, so easy and so like good on your nail bed. Like अगर हम regularly nail extensions कराते हैं ना तो nail bed जो होता है ना like your real nail वो खराब हो जाता है, like उसका like इतना पतला हो जाता है ना वो, because I have experienced it तो I know. तो अपने experience से मैं बता रही हूँ कि जब वो nail आप हटाते हो या remove करवाते हो so the quality of your real nail deteriorates like drastically. For that I thought कि you know मुझे at least try करना चाहिए stick on nails and also I did. And my friend, I have like bunch of nails with me like you don't even know. I have so many here and मैंने काफी इनमें से try किए हैं. And today we just gonna talk about nails that you should and definitely get from Amazon. Especially Amazon का ना अभी wardrobe refresh sale चल रहा है, so you will get everything on such great discounts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about nails. Okay, so the first thing that you have to keep in mind कि उसको लगाना कैसे है. एक प्रोसीजर होता है, थोड़ा सा आपको you know patient होना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. ऐसा नहीं कि बस नेल्स कट किए और फटाफट इसका ग्लू लिया और स्टिक ऑन कर दिया. थोड़े से प्यार से like शांति से बैठ के it takes me like I think 25 minutes now to do it like completely. That too because I'm very slow in doing things. तो अगर आप अच्छे से you know कर लेते हो like speed से काम कर लेते हो तो आपको I think 15 मिनट लगेंगे. But okay, I'm gonna link a detailed video I did like a shorts, YouTube shorts कि आप अगर nail extensions घर पे खुद लगा रहे हो तो कैसे लगा सकते हो. So first thing you definitely need is like a good nail glue. Now my favorite and affordable glue is Miss Claire one. I'm gonna link it down below, so make sure that you check it out. तो इसका applicator बहुत अच्छा है. So basically you apply this nail glue on your nail bed like a nail paint. So it's so easy and the brush is also like really nice. So application का तो हो गया. Now let me show you some of my favorite nails. Like अभी तो जैसे winter season भी चल रहा है ना तो look at these shades like beige and brown. They look amazing on your nails. Like I'm gonna put on screen a video recording that I made when I applied these nails. Now why I love these ones in particular, like daily use में I don't want like such big nails. ये मैंने इसलिए लगाया because I have some weddings to attend. But regular use में I prefer like छोटे जो square shape nail होते हैं. This is like a perfect size for daily use, you know. Like for me like personally and I know बहुत सारे लोगों को daily use में छोटे nails ही पसंद होते हैं. And ये perfect एकदम square shape है and it just looks amazing like तुमने gel वाला painted nails कराया हुआ, which actually is very expensive. So this type of nail pack comes with like 24 piece or 48 piece nail pieces. If you're getting like 24 pieces तो आप उसके हिसाब से nail bed के size के हिसाब से choose कर सकते हो any 10 nails and they are reusable. The best part is that. Next I showed you this is also in like a square shape and it's so pretty like beige color में. इसमें कुछ nails है जिसपे marble वाला print है. You can see like how it looks. Everything is linked down below. सारे prices भी description पे मैं डाल दूंगी. Prices differ कर सकते हैं. अभी obviously कम में मिल रहा होगा क्योंकि sale चल रही है. But one of my favorite nails that I found on Amazon are from Kloss Beauty. First of all, the packaging is so luxurious. It's like a hard cardboard box, and this is how, I mean, it's just so pretty. This is how the nails come in this packaging. These are like a set of 24, and I've ordered like pink line art wala thoda sa design. Isn't this like gorgeous? I haven't applied these ones from Kloss Beauty, but the quality that you're getting na in nails ka is so much better than you are getting. I would say for these ones, like ये आप इसका packaging भी देख सकते हो, ये सस्ते भी हैं Kloss Beauty से. Kloss Beauty ones costed me 699 rupees, and ये मेरे को I think 350 का पड़ा था, like half the price. So yeah, like ये थोड़े से पतले हैं, and it's very similar to the ones that I have applied right now. All in all, what I wanna say is कि ये जो Kloss Beauty वाले price charge कर रहे हैं, it's valid, and the other set that I have is in like matte white. I love white nails. Like अगर आप मेरे को जानते हो, so you would know कि white is like my go-to color when it comes to nails. So these are like perfect for, you know, a special occasion. Now white इतना regularly मैं नहीं use करती हूँ, क्योंकि you know खाना होता है, बनाना होता है, तो white nails तो जरा सा भी, you know, दाग लगेगा तो खराब हो जाएंगे. So I've saved this like for a special occasion set that I want to show you, which I absolutely love because it's like perfect for, you know, daily use. This has some French tips going on, like इसमें थोड़ा सा glitter भी है, but this complete set comes with like plain white tips also and glitter wala tips also. If you're someone who loves, you know, French tips in like festive season with little bit of glitter going on, this is like perfect for you, and it's so affordable. I think I paid like 369 rupees for this. Last but not the least, I want to talk about this set, and इसके साथ का मैंने एक pink set मंगाया था. You can see here. Actually वो मैं Delhi apply करके गई थी, तो वो set वहीं रह गया. I can't reuse that like for a file. Like मैं ले लूँगी, मेरी बहन के घर ही रखा है. Now this set is cheaper than every other set that I've gotten and shown you here. This one comes in like set of 12 nails only, so you have very limited option with this. Like if you see here on the screen, मैंने इसका पिंक कलर लगाया हुआ अपने हाथ पे, तो थोड़ा सा ना मेरा फिंगर्स के जो नेल्स मैंने स्टिक करे हुए हैं वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट साइजेस के, लाइक इस हाथ पे डिफरेंट साइज के है, इस हाथ पे डिफरेंट साइज के है. दो दे फिट, बट आई थिंक इनको एटलीस्ट 24 पीसेस तो देना चाहिए था, सो दैट आई हैव एन ऑप्शन की लाइक यू नो 10 नेल्स तो कम से कम मैं इसे सेम लगा सकूँ. लाइक इस हाथ के नेल्स इस हाथ से मैच करने चाहिए साइज वाइज. आई मीन इफ यू आर समवन जिसका जो नेल बेड है वो बहुत ही स्किनी है एंड बहुत छोटा है, सो आई वोंट रिकमेंड दिस वन. बट इफ यू आर समवन हु हैज लाइक मीडियम टू लार्ज साइज का नेल बेड, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस. लाइक इसमें आपको कोई इशू नहीं आएगा. अगर आपका ज्यादा स्किनी या छोटू सा नेल बेड है तो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. बट विद इट वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. इन केस यू आर प्लानिंग टू बाय एनीथिंग फ्रॉम Amazon, दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम माई फ्रेंड, क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छा सेल चल रहा है Amazon पे. So everything is available at like great discounts. You can check all these nails linked below in the description box. It will take you to my Amazon store, and it's just so convenient, you guys. I mean, you have to get these nails at least once to try, because I am telling you कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा convenient और अच्छे हैं. Especially nail glue अगर आपने ले लिया ना, तो your life is sorted. If you're someone who loves like long nails but can't grow them, get this glue, get these nail sticky nails, and you are good to go. I'm also gonna attach some more nails in like the description, जो कि मेरी wish list में भी है, because I am literally obsessed. And yeah, I just wanna say that it's so convenient, and I can't imagine कि मैंने पहले से you know ये start क्यों नहीं कर लिया. But okay, better late than never. Now I'm gonna go and just just wanna remind you one time कि please subscribe, like, वीडियो को share ज़रूर कर देना. Festive season आ रहा है तो ये बहुत convenient और सस्ता option है आप लोगों के लिए. Go to the link and shop for yourself, gift it to your friend. It's like a good gift too. I mean, I'd be so happy if I'll get this as a gift. But yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Don't forget to comment कि आपका favorite set of nails कौन सा था. I'm waiting and I'll see you guys next time.